Student, today we will learn about principle of mathematical induction. Okay, so what is principle of mathematical induction? So in principle of mathematical induction, there must be a given statement. And you have to prove for n equal 1, n equal k, and n equal k plus 1. So see, what is principle of mathematical induction? Principle of mathematical induction. Okay, principle of mathematical induction. So we'll start with the definition. Okay, suppose there is a given statement Pn involving the natural number n such that number 1 the statement is true for n equal 1, that is P1 is true. Number 2, if the statement is true for n equal k, then the statement is also true for n equal k plus 1, that is root of pk implies root of pk plus 1. Okay, then Pn is true for all natural number n. Okay, so you must prove for n equal 1, and you have to take n equal k is true, and you have to prove n equal k plus 1 is also true. Okay, so let us take a example. Okay, means you must know this summation of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... This is 1. Okay, this is one number up to n equal n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, number 2 is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus ... up to n square equal n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, and the third formula is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus ... up to n cube equal n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. So you must remember all these three. Okay, so we'll prove the first one. Okay, we'll prove the first one. Proof number 1. Okay, so let the given statement be Pn that is Pn equal Pn such that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 up to n equal n plus 1 divided by 2. So see how I am doing the proof. Okay, for n equal 1 or n equal 1 comma p1 such that take this 1, okay, and take that in the left hand side you will take 1, and in the right hand side put n equal 1 because you have taken for n equal 1. Okay, equal 1 into 1 plus 1 equal 2 divided by 2. This 2 will get cancelled, so what you will get? You will get 1. Okay, so which is true? Which is true? Assume that pk is true according to the definition. Okay, if the statement is true for n equal k, we have assumed that pk is true for some positive integer k, that is pk. Okay, pk says that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 and will be replaced by k is equals to k plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so I have taken this as number 1 equation. Okay, now we have to prove for n equal k plus 1. So we shall prove that pk plus 1 is also true. Now we have one plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 up to k plus 1. So in place of k, okay, reading the last term will be k plus 1 if you replace it. Now you see in the number 1 equation 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 up to k. So why I have written k? Because I have this value. In equation number 1. Okay, and I know that k, the term before k plus 1 is k. The term before k plus 1 or the number before k plus 1 is k. After k plus 1 you will get k plus 2, and before k plus 1 or before k you will get k minus 1. Okay, so since pk is true, in pk it was 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot up to k, you have got k plus 1 divided by 2. So if you have to prove for pk plus 1, then the last term must be k plus 1. So you can see why I have written k, because I know this value up to k. Okay, equal. So this 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is k plus 1 divided by 2 plus the remaining term is k plus 1. Okay, so you can take k plus 1 common here. So here in the first term it will remain k by 2 plus in the second one plus 1 is equal to k plus 1. Take the LCM, you will get k plus 2 divided by 2 equal k plus 1. K plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, thus pk plus 1 is true whenever pk is true. Now you can see here, in place of k, it is replaced by k plus 1. Since you know the value, you've got in equation number 1, okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is equals to k plus 1 divided by 2. So you have to prove for k plus 1. So k must be replaced by k plus 1. So you can see at last k is replaced by k plus 1. K is replaced by k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. So if pk is true, pk plus 1 is also true using 1. Okay. So at last what we will write? Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, the statement Pn is true. Okay, for all n belongs to capital N, means n belongs to natural number. Okay, with this we conclude for today.